Good morning to you. It is I, your favorite Fluff, Guzzler, and I know I'm a little bit late, but it is Safer Internet Day. And for Safer Internet Day, which is the 7th of February, that only comes like once every something years. So, I'm going to show you how to ace the safety thingy-majiggy. So then, let's do this. First of all, you go over here. And after you get over there, you go over here. And once you're over there, you go over here. Oh, healing staff, huh? Right then. This is how to ace the online safety quiz. What is the best account password? Something easy to remember how to guess. That's basically saying, yeah. I never trust a person who says that. I probably just report and block them, but all of these are good answers anyway. Oh, wow. Item Gem, you get me so well. Where can you find Item Gem rules? Your parents can read them when they log in. Quick rules. Oh, okay, alright. That was actually a wild guess. What information can you share while playing Item Gem? Your phone number, birthday, or school info. Your last name, email, or home address. I don't feel comfortable by saying home address or my last name to anybody, and I'm pretty sure Item Gem has made it impossible to say email unless you're a member who has free chat, and you can say E and then mail, but don't actually say that to anybody. If you give that out any information, that can start some whole drama, and Item Gem will not ban the person who did anything to you, because that was your own fault, and they will only ban that person if they have hacked, faked items, duplicated items, or anything like that, or sell items, all the bad stuff. You have to be like pretty good. Like Silver Paw, who got banned for some reason, I don't know, maybe because she hacked my family 602 for AJ, who has like 99 subscribers, since some people unsubscribed to her during her giveaway. And yeah. And also Swarm got banned as well, but I'm gonna watch his Minecraft video now, so I have no reason to unsubscribe to him currently. So yeah. Your favorite Item Gem? Well, personally, my favorite game would be Sky High. Or my favorite item is a red moon spike collar. That's red, because I like red. Oh, okay. Alright, you see Gem, use a player card to report and block them. Yeah, Item Gem lets you use their own tools against them. And you can actually pull up your own card. You have to like see it from here, and then you have to press it on this to customize and change stuff. Or you can just go on a completely different account to look at yourself. But yeah. Reset your password. I've done that like 3 times now. And now my password is actually pretty good. Don't send you a mean Gem, it's best to delete the message without doing anything. Click the police badge. You shouldn't send a mean Gemagram back to them unless you want to make war, but nobody wants to do that. Online safety. Yeah, online safety. So you can learn about the rules, and then you know how to, and after contacting AJHQ to see how they can help you. Yeah, that's how it works. What should you do when Gem asks you to accept their trade really fast without looking at the items? Don't trade. No, that is not a fun game. That sounds like a ginormous scam. And only do it if it's a trusted friend that you know in real life and you trusted them. You trust them completely, and you can ask them to give back your items afterwards. But sometimes you just can't trust people like that, so you have to make sure that the person that you're doing, you know who they are in real life. You can trust them completely, and they're somebody you're really close to, or even your parent. Okay, how should you share your Animal Jam password? Not on a family computer, because if you have siblings, they could hack into your account. You're supposed to act like your parent, or not at all. BFFs, your sister or brother. Oh, no. Not even BFFs, because they don't know if you'll hack or not. And your sister or brother. I don't have a sister, and my brothers are adults, but I will not choose them anyways because my eldest brother actually gaming's account is actually, yeah. Okay, a jammer you've never met wants to meet in real life. Do you? No. You can only say that to somebody who you actually met before you've seen this game, or somebody you know is near your area, like your school, or just a chain of friends that you have. Then you know you can meet them in real life. But besides that, no, and plus, they might be from a different country anyways, or even a different continent. Great job, you got 10 out of 10 questions correct. You are... We got 25 gems! Oh my god, that's so much. Holy. Do you see that? 25 gems is in this 8,702 gems. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm not triggered at all. I am totally not triggered, guys. You know, I'm so not triggered. I am not triggered at all. Okay. We're going to go look for some people. I'm going to Appendale, because everybody goes to Appendale. Appendale's my favorite place, though. Alright, let's play in the mud. Oh, yes. Anyone use the phone to give you something cool in return? No. 2 of my friends have actually asked me to trade passwords, and I said, no, that's classified information. So yeah, that's what you say. Unless what they say is real good, then they'll give you something amazing. I'm just kidding. And oh my god, it's my father. Hello, father. See, this is my dad. This is my dad. We even take piggyback rides. Dad! Oh my god. 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 My daddy left me. Hi, ants. I've actually already taken all of this from my dad's pet tree house. Is there any place that I haven't completed? Because I'm pretty sure I completed them all. Yeah, I completed them all. I'm pretty sure. Didn't I? Didn't I? Yeah. Yeah, I did. See? I'm pretty sure I did. Yeah, I even made it through the Paradise Party. I want you monkeys. I beat the Paradise Party too, because I'm awesome. Daddy! Why did you leave me? Why did you leave me? Why did you leave me? You're not my daddy. I left. Oh, You're not my dad no more. Come on, guys. Let's get adopted. If they want to adopt us, we must adopt. I'm joking. We must be adopted. Like, who wanna adopt us? I am a little pig. Oh, yeah. Make my way downtown. Adopt me. It's little pig. Yes, that's how you roleplay. Will it accept member or an M? Father left little pig. Me, adopt me. Adopt me. Will you adopt? Will you adopt? Who will adopt? Who will adopt? Who will adopt me? Oh, okay. So they're done. Let's go to this pig's request. We're currently in the den waiting for the request. Alright then. Oh my god, I'm not sitting on that. Don't you know roses have thorns? Alright then, let's see what else is here. Oh, we got a TV. That's good, right? We got a TV. A spicy TV. Yeah. A nice TV. No, that is my old friend. I've come to talk to you again. I'm so alone. Okay, let's sleep, guys. Let's sleep. So it's only adopting them. Triggered! Oh! Why can't... What? There's so much non-member and member velocity here. Like, non-member and members are different type of animals. But, we are the same people. Make this a meme and spread out the word. Non-member pig survives adoption. Okay. See you guys later. Bye! Oh, I want to get on this throne. Okay, now, bye. And now, bye. Bye. Alright, see you guys later.